With the Layer app for iOS and Android, you can view extra digital information on top of what you see and read in the real world, and learn more about what's around you in a unique and meaningful way. To download Layer, go to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Layer. Then, tap Free or Install to install Layer on your device. Finally, tap Open to get started. The app opens to the Scan screen. Here you can scan items, like product packages or magazine pages, that have digital content on them. To find items to scan, look for the Layer logo and call to action on magazines, newspapers, packaging, posters, billboards, business cards, and other items around you. Tap anywhere on the screen to scan and see the extra information. Be sure that it's not too dark. Hold your device steady, scan the entire item or page, and use Wi-Fi for the best results. You can also use Layer to scan QR codes. Listen to audio and watch videos, like and share content on social media, and even view movie trailers and info right from the poster. In the side menu, you'll find more options, like geolayers, which help you learn more about what's around you, like nearby restaurants, or even nearby real estate info, and much more. Back in the side menu, tap Recent Content to view a history of items you've seen in Layer. Quickly jump back to content whenever you want, including videos, saved coupons or products, or even directions to a nearby hotel. You can also save and share your experience by snapping a photo of what you're viewing. You can share your experience with friends, colleagues, and followers. Or you can save it to your phone or tablet and use it however you want. With the new Pop-Out feature, you can view interactive print in a more convenient way without holding your phone over the original page. And now, with Favorites, you can save interactive print experiences and review or share them later, all without needing to rescan the original print content. Download the Layer app for iOS and Android today to see what it can do for you.
Starwalk is a handy astronomy guide that allows you to point your iPad at the sky and see what stars, constellations, and satellites you're looking at in real time. When you open up the app, you'll see a breakdown of the day's astrological events, such as when the sun rises and sets and what phase the moon is in. The augmented reality feature uses the iPad 2's camera to display the actual sky in front of you, making it easy to find out more information about the nighttime sky that you see. To see a detailed view of the sky you're looking at, just tilt up and use the Star Spotter feature. It will automatically find your location and tell you all you need to know about the sky directly above you. Tap an object to see its name, then tap on the information icon to read the information available for this object. If you want to find a specific star or constellation, tap the search icon, then tap on an item from the list. To see how the object transitions through time and space, you can drag up or down on the timeline. Tap Bookmark to save this information. When you tap on Picture of the Day, you can view and scroll through beautiful images from deep space, along with a description. You can share these pictures via Facebook, Twitter, or email, and you can also print them as well. And using the HDMI adapter, you can view the app on a larger screen, making it easier for large groups, such as classrooms, to learn more about the nighttime sky. Starwalk is the perfect companion for stargazing.
What if your customers could experience all your products virtually in the palm of their hand? With Augment, they can. Augment is a mobile app to view and share your products in augmented reality. Whatever your industry, Augment is the sales and marketing tool you need to grow your business. With Augment, brands and manufacturers can easily simulate the impact of their new packaging designs in a real store. Augment reduces the need for expansive physical samples and speeds up the approval cycle between the brand owner and the design team. Sales reps can demonstrate their merchandising displays in real size and in situations to the store manager, better negotiate a key placement at end caps, and increase visibility for their products at the point of sales. They can easily access their Augment catalog offline, capture their in-store simulations, share pictures with their customers, or even use Augment as their mobile 3D viewer. With Augment, industrial firms present their whole range of products during meetings and trade shows without having to spend fortunes in shipping. Architects and real estate developers share their 3D designs with their customers at each stage of the project in the most realistic and immersive way. Augment is a powerful B2B sales tool, but it's also an engaging marketing tool to communicate your products to any connected consumer in the world. Anyone can download the free Augment app, scan your printed content, and be amazed by your augmented reality experience. Augment brings to life your product catalogs, magazine ads, street marketing flyers, and lets your target customers try your product at home before buying. No QR code is needed. All you have to do is add a call to action on your page, publish your interactive page, and watch your engagement stats go through the roof. So next time you launch a new product, augment your printed material and take your marketing campaign to a whole new level. So how does Augment work? 1. Download the free Augment app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device. 2. Ask your design team to upload your existing 3D models on Augment Manager. 3. Publish your models with controlled and secured access to your team members' and customers' devices. 4. To create a custom tracker, simply upload your 2D creative and associate to one of your 3D models. 5. View your models in augmented reality with the Universal Augment Tracker, with your own custom tracker, or with no tracker at all. That's it. No need to develop your own app. Augment is completely self-service. So download Augment right now and start growing your business with augmented reality.